Alright folks, so here we go. Have you bought your pipe from Home Depot and it has that lovely black stuff on it? All that stuff with writing. Looked on Google, you can't figure out how to get it off. Acetone mineral spirits, you name it, we've tried it. Well, Bay right here said if you can figure it out,
no,
I'll do it.
Start the video over.
Lovely, handsome man right here said that if I can figure out how to get it off easy, he will clean all the pipes off. So I made that a point. So here we go. You got this stuff on there. What are you going to use, babe?
Yeah, it's this stuff right here.
Some Jasco premium paint and epoxy remover. All right. And what are we going to do? Pour just a little bit in a glass container. It's an old pickle jar. Okay.
Yeah.
It's probably a little watered down by now, but just
it's pretty thick.
Paint it on. Now, for your safety, you probably want to
definitely wear gloves.
Wear.
For sure.
I was gonna say a mask, but you know, if you want to.
I'm outside and it's well ventilated out here. There's wind blowing.
Make your choice, but definitely wear some gloves. This stuff is highly caustic.
I would not do this inside.
And we just went to the Dollar Tree, got some of these Brillo pads. Okay.
Yep. This has only been on here for about 10 seconds. And it's already just, I'm barely applying any pressure. And it's just stripping it straight off. All the way down. Alright, I'll just wash that off with some water. Just to show you that section.
And that way you can see.
Sometimes it's a little thicker in some areas. So you just grab the Brillo pad again. I don't even need to put any more of the stripper stuff on there. You just press a little bit harder. Takes you right off.
So there you go. Years and years, nobody's figured it out. And I plan on posting this immediately, and we'll see if it stays up unless YouTube decides to take it down. There you go, folks.